Good morning. Welcome to 3-5. For today, I want you guys to write in your notebook. Here's your notebook. This is notebook, okay? I want you guys to write 3-5, solving inequalities with variables on both sides. In your textbook, turn to page 194. Today, we are going to be able to, this is what we are doing today. Objective. Students will be able to solve inequalities that contain variable terms on both sides. Okay? Example 1. In example 1, you are going to solve inequalities with variables on both sides. Solve each inequality and graph the solutions. A. X is less than 3x plus 8. Okay? So how would you solve? If you need to draw a line, draw your line. You're solving for x. So you got 1x, and that's 3x. So I'm going to subtract 3x. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Cancels out. 1x minus 3x is negative 2x, less than 8. Solve for x. This is negative 2 times x. Divide by negative 2. Cancel. X is less than negative 4. Okay? So if you were to graph, it would look like this. So at negative 4, no equal, so it's open. That's open. Let's read. X is less than, and less than is to the left. Less than is to the left. Example 2. Okay. Let me write it a little bit bigger. You have 6x minus 1 is less than or equal to 3.5x plus 4. Draw your line. All right. See how you have 6x and 3.5x? These are same terms, like terms. Opposite of 3.5x is minus 3.5x. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. 6x minus 3.5x is 2.5x minus 1, less than or equal to 4. Plus 1 to both sides, cancel. 2.5x is less than or equal to 5. Right here it is 2.5x times x, so divide by 2.5, divide by 2.5, cancel. Okay. X is less than or equal to 5 divided by 2.5. That comes out to be 2. Graph. Okay. So you have 2 less than or equal to, close. That means you include it in your point. Now, this right here is less than. X is less than. Less than goes to the left. And there's example number 2. Now write down example number 3. Here you go. It says simplify each side before solving. Solve each inequality and graph the solutions. So A, you have 6 times 1 minus x is less than 3x. First off, you have to distribute. That's called multiplying. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times negative x is negative 6x, less than 3x. Okay. Draw your line. Like terms, add 6x, add 6x. Cancel. So you have 6 is less than 9x. Divide by 9, divide by 9, cancel. 6 over 9 is less than x. 6 over 9 is the same thing as 2 over 3 is less than x. Okay? To graph, now remember, graphing, 2/3, open, okay? Let's read. X, see that right there? X is greater than 2/3, which way is greater? To your right. Now, another way you could write this is right here. Or you can write x is greater than 2/3. Same thing. These two are the same thing. Okay? Example B. Solve each inequality and graph the solution. So let's go ahead and solve. Negative 0.2x plus 0.9 is greater than or equal to 1.6x. Go. Like terms, add 0.2x. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Cancel. 0.9 is greater than or equal to 1.8x. Okay. 1.8 times x, opposite of multiplying, is dividing. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Right? So this comes out to be 0.5 is less than or equal to x. Or, you can write it like this as well, 1/2 is greater than or equal to x. Okay. These are the same answer. Now, you can switch this around. You switch. If you switch, this will be x is less than or equal to 0.5. Okay. Or x is less than or equal to 1/2. Same answer. Let's go ahead and graph. 1/2. See how it has an equal? Close. Okay. So let's read. X is less than is to the left. And there you have example B. Alright. Example 4. A. Identities and contradictions. It says solve each inequality. So let's take a look. X plus 5 is greater than or equal to x plus 3. Okay? Separate your left from your right. Like terms, minus x, minus x. Cancel, cancel. So 5 is greater than or equal to 3. Now let's take a look at this on the graph. Here's 3 and here's 5. Okay? It says 5 is greater than 3. Is 5 bigger than 3? Yes. See it right there? 5 is bigger. So this is true. So your answer will be true. All real numbers. All right. Go to part B. So when you get something like this, you write all real solutions because it is always true. Okay? Let's go to part B. Let's look at B. I'm going to rewrite this problem right here. 2x plus 6 is less than 5 plus 2x. Solve. Minus 2x cancels out. So you have 6 is less than 5. Okay, let's look at the graph. Here is 5 and here is 6. This one says 6 is less than 5. Is 6 less than 5? No. This is less than. This is greater than. So this one is not true. And if it's not true, the answer is no solution. Okay? Alright. Now I want you guys to write this part down as well. Okay? This one you're going to try to do it yourself. You're going to solve each inequality. 4 times y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 4y plus 2. Distribute. 4 times y is 4y. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. It's greater than or equal to 4y plus 2. Okay? Like terms, subtract both sides. Cancel. So you have negative 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Let's take a look at your graph. Negative 4 is here, 2 is here. Is 4 greater than 2? Nope, not true. So you would have no solution. Okay. Let's go to 4b. This one right here. Draw your line. Minus x, x minus 2 is less than x plus 1. Subtract x from both sides. So you have negative 2 is less than 1. Negative 2 is less than 1. Is that true? Yes. Since that's true, your solution will be all real solutions or numbers. Okay? You guys should do well. I will email you the solutions on a separate sheet of paper.